You all know this is in Sydney, that's Australia. So Australian Dental Council will conduct its own exam to give the license. So www.adc.org is the website that you have to actually choose and give your profile. And then you can choose the test center in pearsonvenue.com. So you have to choose your test center to write your ADC exam in this website. Give your written exam followed by the practical exam, that's your clinicals, followed by the licensure exam. Sorry, that follows you to give you, they will give you the license once you clear the written and clinical part. So this is ADC Connect, where you have to give your profile, fill your details, and just apply for your exam. There will be your certificate verification. If you can get a certificate verification done, you are ready to apply for the written exam. And the written exam, you will have all clinical based questions, clinical case scenarios. And once you pass with 280 questions, that is 56 clinical scenarios. Each clinical scenario will hold 5 MCQs. So 56 clinical scenarios, into each scenario 5 questions they will ask you. So 280 questions you have to clear. So the written exam will be like this. And once you qualify the written exam, you will go to the practicals, that is clinical exams, where you have to perform several clinical tasks. So once you clear your written and practical, you are ready to get the license to practice in Australia. And these are the fees for initial assessment, written and practical exams.